Hello there, welcome to Tamim's English Care. Hopefully you are all fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. Alhamdulillah, I'm super duper excited because today I have made a place where I can make a video, and it is called Machang in our local language. And you know, I make video here and there. I wasn't in a specific place to make a video, and I was thinking about the thing I should make an environment from where I can make video, from where I can practice my English. Finally I have made. Have a look, just দেখেন যে I will try make video over there. This is why I made it. আমি এটা তৈরি করেছি এখানে আমি ইংরেজি যেন প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারি, আর এটা তৈরি করতে খুব একটা সময় যায়নি, কিছু সময় গিয়েছে এবং হয়েছে যেগুলা দরকার ছিল some wood I needed to make it, and finally I made it. তৈরি করেছি, এখানে আমি প্র্যাকটিস করব inshallah. So যাদের those who are interested to learn English, you haven't any environment to make video or to practice, you can also make your environment like me. আপনিও আপনার পরিবেশ তৈরি করতে পারেন, লাইক আমার মতো তৈরি করতে পারেন, যে আমি এখানে বসলাম, মনে করেন এই যে বসলাম, and এখান থেকে আমি ভিডিও তৈরি করব। সে have a look, মানে অনেক আরামদায়ক। It is so much comfortable place from where I can make video. Apart from this, I can enjoying natural beauty. As you can see right now, I am surrounded by the trees, and trees are glittering. And today is the sunny day. That's why it has been shimmering. So have a look. Back to me, this is the overall background in my village, and back to me, this is the pond. Actually in front of me pond, and back to me pond. I am middle of the pond, and from where I am making the video. So dear viewers, I do not make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Tamim's English Care, and don't forget আমার মাচাং কেমন হয়েছে এটা বলতে ভুলবেন না। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।